What is going on, everybody? Thank you for checking out this video. Today, I'm going to be going over my Facebook ad strategy that has helped me scale multiple stores over the past several months. It's fairly new and it's different from what I've done in the past, but it's been working. And as you can see, this store right here for the month of September, we took it from almost zero, from zero to almost $20,000 in sales. We fell a few sales shy the last few days from breaking 20,000, but this ad strategy that I'm about to show you is what helped get us there. So let's go ahead and jump into the ads manager. And we're going to start by clicking create. We're going to choose conversions. We're going to name the campaign. So the product page that we are going to be using is this one right here. It's a bicycle wheel truing stand. We're going to name the campaign Bike Truing Stand, the name of the product. And we are going to go ahead and choose CBO. And we're going to put the budget at $50 per day. Click continue. Now we're going to go ahead and choose purchase for the event. So anytime you're running Facebook ads and you're generating traffic to your store for the purposes of generating sales, you're going to want to choose the purchase event. So even if it's red, and even if Facebook tells you, your ad isn't optimized and you're not going to get any sales, always do purchase for the event. So we're going to scroll down. For the audience location, I'm just going to do the big 5 English-speaking countries. So we'll do Canada, United States, Australia, the United Kingdom, and we will do New Zealand. All right, so those are the big 5 countries. We're going to scroll down. Gender, we're going to leave that. Now we're going to change the detailed targeting and we're going to choose our interests. So for a bicycle touring stand, it's for people who are into cycling and bike riding. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to keep the interest pretty broad when we're just starting out testing the product. Always be sure that that you uncheck the detailed targeting expansion. You don't want Facebook spending money outside of the targeted interest, so we leave that off. Since we're targeting only English-speaking countries, you can go ahead and leave languages at all languages. Now, unlike from the past, I've been seeing a lot more success leaving the placements at auto placements as opposed to doing manual placements and choosing Facebook feed and Instagram feed. So we're just going to keep things simple and leave it at automatic placements. Then click continue. So now we're going to go ahead and create the ad. Be sure you have your Facebook page selected, Instagram account. You don't need one if you're going to run ads on Instagram. You can just use your Facebook page and it'll work fine. Come down here. We're going to use a video. So add video. And here's my video. Continue. Now we're going to go ahead and just keep this pretty simple. Keep your bike running smoothly with our bike truing stand. Get yours here. And I always like using this little emoji. And we'll go ahead and we'll put the website URL right there. And we're going to come down here, in the website URL, we're going to put it there as well. And we're going to change the call to action to shop now. So this is what our ad's going to look like. You can preview it right here on the right side of the screen. Keep your bike running smoothly with our bike truing stand. Get yours here. Boom. Bicycle wheel truing stand, shop now. Looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and click confirm. We're going to go ahead and let this load. And the next step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create 10 ad sets inside of the same campaign. And each ad set is going to be targeting one different single interest. And we're also going to have to schedule each interest to begin running at midnight. We don't want to schedule the ads and have them start running right away. So we're going to come over here and we are going to duplicate this one. Duplicate. And this one we're going to change the start date. So it's October 11th at midnight. So it's going to start running tonight. And we're going to change the ad set name to the name of the interest and click publish. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete the original ad set that was not scheduled. Delete it. And now the next step is we're going to duplicate the new interest that we have 9 times. So we have a total of 10 ad sets. Boom. And now the only thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into each one and we're going to change out the interest and then change the title of the ad set. So we're going to come over here and really don't overthink it. All you really need to do is use the suggestions tab and just pick interest from there when you're just starting out product testing. Road cycling. And after each one, you can just go ahead and click publish, or you can wait to do them all at the end. Doesn't really matter. But we'll go ahead and publish each one right away. So cycling, road bicycle. And notice I like to keep things pretty broad when I'm choosing interest, just starting out. So all of them are going to have an audience of at least 1 million people in it. So cycling, road cycling, racing bicycle, cycling club. And we're going to follow this same exact strategy all the way through. And now once we're done doing that for all 10 ad sets, I like to set up my Facebook dashboard to look just like this. So I like to have amount spent, the reach, the impressions, the unique link clicks, add to carts, checkouts initiated, purchases, cost per result, the purchase conversion value, and the ROAS. So this kind of shows the funnel that the customer goes through to make a purchase. So when they see the ad, they click through, they add to cart, they go to the checkout, and they eventually make a purchase. This is how I like to lay out my Facebook dashboard to analyze all of my campaigns. And so to talk a little bit about the next few days once the campaign is live. So this is going to be spending $50 a day. I like to let it run for 3 days. After day 3, if it's profitable, I like to take the top 5 to 7 ad sets, whichever ones have purchases and are profitable, and I'll select all of those and I'll duplicate them into a new campaign and I'll double the budget. And we'll kind of follow that strategy as we continue to scale it. The next step after creating that second campaign will be to create a new CBO campaign, just like this first one, except we're going to target all brand new interests. And then we follow the same cycle where we narrow down into a new campaign based on which ad sets were profitable in that one. And then we'll start to get into a retargeting campaign, which be on the lookout for. I will be releasing a video on how to create a retargeting campaign. But I wanted to show you guys, I have a free Shopify course that's available right now. The link will be in the description below, but I take you step by step and show you how to get started building your Shopify store from scratch. And I also have a few pretty cool bonuses in here that you guys should check out. If you want access to this 100% free Shopify course, the link will be in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be checking and going through and answering all of them. And if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.